To do quilt piecing, you can shorten your stitch length and move your needle over, but there's a much easier way. In fact, there are two easy ways. You can start out with going into decorative stitches, go down here to quilt, and 1/4 inch quilt piecing. That's 3 button pushes. Another way is to push this little t-shirt button, 1, go down here to quilting, 2, patchwork piecing right there. And it gives you the same settings. Notice you are using the O foot, which is this one right here. And it has this little guide on the edge. In the applications menu, piece length can be memorized for multiple pieces. I'll show you how that's done. Have needle down, you can put your piece right up to the needle and right up to the guide on the foot. Start sewing. Go to the end of the seam. At that point, it'll give you this window here. You want to say, okay. Now that's going to give you the same length of your seam when you're sewing your patches. Also, you want to have the pivot function on so that when it stops sewing, it'll stop sewing with the needle down and the presser foot up. Now, put my next piece right up to the first piece and right up to the guide. And I don't even have to do presser foot down. All I have to do is just start sewing. And we're ready for the next patch. Put that on there. Start sewing. And then when you're done, all you got to do is you cut apart your patches. And that's quilt piecing. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.